Okay, because there is no project without a logo, I will create a really quick and shitty logo. There is not a really advanced or complex logo for a brand. It's just an example. So first I will create a new image with 90 and height 98 with no background, so I will fill with transparency. I don't need this one for now. What I will draw here, I will just draw the first thing I see when I open the project, and it's just the ranking and some stories content. So I will just draw a few rectangles, like just here on gconfig. I will just need a brush, a smaller brush for that, like this. Okay. Now some colors. Let me show some grid to adjust things. About the colors, I think I'm going with white, maybe. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm going with white, so I will just color fill, because I want my rectangles fulfilled with color. And the stroke, I will also add white. I don't want borders on this, so I will just now vertical rectangle and a few horizontal squares. These represent my ranking. 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 is enough. And now I will just draw a rectangle on right side to make more content on this logo. And let me see how this looks like, because okay, I think is enough. Let me see. Yeah, it's not really complex, but it kinda represent the project also. Now I'm looking at this. I don't like the white. I don't think it will works really well, and have no background, because there is 2 elements on it. Maybe will look weird, so I will create a background, and maybe okay, let me create first a new layer for that. Okay, and this layer I will have background, maybe a white one. I will change colors like white to black. Okay, that is maybe with this. Okay, it's working now. Okay, and my squares I will make it black. Wait, what's wrong? Wait. Okay, let me change this. Come back, Control Z. Okay, don't show this. Okay, I want this black, I want this white, but I want this behind. Okay, I think it's much better. I kind of have a logo, so let's save it and see how it looks on the page. And for that I will just go to public image folder and save it as a ICO or icon. Compress everything. I'm not sure about this, but let me see what happened. Okay, let me check. Could not load image. Okay, let me export again. Just exporting the background, so probably I need to merge all layers. Let me see. Okay, export this. Okay, with merge layers and I export it again, it's working. So now I'm going to my navbar, and right here, where is the title, I will just change this to home, add an image with my logo. I think is in images, let me see, it's not I have the wrong folder. Okay, that's it. Okay, looks cool. Now made some adjustments, like 40 pixels width, 40 pixels is enough. I will just add it right the way on the code. I will not have a class for this. Let me see. I don't like the title before make on the right side. Maybe I will just delete the name of the page here, just using the logo inside the A tag. Okay, everything works now. I hope you like this tutorial. This maybe is not a tutorial at all. I hope you like it.